When it comes to home renovations, choosing the right window style is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Windows not only allow natural light to flood your space but also contribute to the overall aesthetics, energy efficiency, and functionality of your home. In Washington, where the architecture is diverse, from historic row houses to modern condos, the right windows can enhance your home's design and comfort. If you're unsure about which window style is best for your Washington home, this guide will walk you through the options and considerations to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're renovating a classic home in Georgetown or upgrading your modern city apartment, here's what you need to know about choosing the perfect windows. Consider your home's architecture. The first step in selecting the right window style is to consider the architectural style of your home. Washington is known for its diverse range of architecture, and the window style you choose should complement the overall look of your home. Traditional homes. If you live in a historic or colonial style home, you'll want to choose windows that reflect the timeless charm of the architecture. Double-hung windows are a popular choice for traditional homes. These windows have two sashes that slide vertically, offering a classic look and easy functionality. They also allow for better ventilation, as both the upper and lower sashes can be opened simultaneously. Contemporary homes. For a modern home, sleek, clean lines are typically preferred. Casement windows, which open outward with a crank, can provide a minimalist and streamlined look. They also allow for optimal ventilation and are perfect for homes that embrace modern design. Craftsman or bungalow homes. If you have a craftsman-style home, consider awning windows. These windows are hinged at the top and open outward, allowing for ventilation even during light rain. Their clean, simple design fits well with the detailed woodwork and low-slung roofs typical of craftsman homes. Energy efficiency. In Washington, where temperatures can vary greatly from season to season, energy-efficient windows are essential for year-round comfort. Choosing the right window style also involves considering how it will impact your home's insulation. Double or triple pane windows. Regardless of the style, choosing double or triple pane windows can significantly improve the energy efficiency of your home. These windows have multiple layers of glass, with insulating gases like argon or krypton between the panes, reducing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. They are an excellent choice for all window styles, providing year-round comfort and lowering energy bills. Low-E glass. Low emissivity, low-E glass is another energy-efficient feature to look for. This coating reflects heat back into the room during the winter while blocking heat from the sun during the summer. Low-E glass helps to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while reducing your home's carbon footprint. Maximizing natural light and views. Washington's vibrant urban life and beautiful natural landscapes offer many opportunities to enhance your home's views. The right window style can allow you to take full advantage of your surroundings. Picture windows. If you have a breathtaking view, picture windows are an excellent choice. These large, fixed windows offer unobstructed views of your surroundings and allow plenty of natural light into your home. Picture windows are ideal for living rooms, dining rooms, or bedrooms where you want to create a connection with the outdoors. Bay or bow windows. For homes with more architectural character, bay or bow windows can add a touch of elegance. These windows project outward from the wall, creating additional space and allowing for a wider view. Bay windows typically consist of 3 windows, with the center window being larger, while bow windows have 4 or more windows that create a curved effect. Both options bring in more natural light and create a cozy, inviting nook. Ventilation needs. Ventilation is an important consideration when choosing windows for your home. Windows that open and close easily provide fresh air and help maintain good indoor air quality. Sliding windows. If you're looking for a window style that's easy to operate and provides good ventilation, sliding windows are an excellent choice. These windows slide horizontally along a track and are perfect for areas like kitchens or bathrooms where you may want to open the window with ease. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward with a crank. These windows offer exceptional ventilation and can be opened fully to catch the breeze. They're a great choice for kitchens or areas where you want maximum airflow. Security consideration. Windows are an essential element of home security. Depending on your home's location and the level of security you desire, certain window styles may be more suitable for protecting your family and property. Double-hung windows with locks. While traditional double-hung windows can offer a classic look, make sure they have modern locking systems for added security. Many models come with built-in multi-point locks for better protection. Impact-resistant windows. If you live in an area where extreme weather conditions, such as hurricanes, are a concern, you may want to invest in impact-resistant windows. These windows are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris, making them a great option for homes in Washington that are vulnerable to storms. Budget consideration. While all of these window styles are valuable, your budget will likely play a role in your decision-making process. Generally, double-hung and sliding windows tend to be more affordable than bay or bow windows, which require more complex installation. Energy-efficient windows, while offering long-term savings, may also come with a higher initial cost. Be sure to balance your window choice with your overall budget and long-term savings potential. Conclusion. Choosing the right window style for your Washington home is more than just about aesthetics. It's about functionality, energy efficiency, and enhancing your home's comfort. From traditional double-hung windows to modern casement or picture windows, there are countless options to consider based on your home's design, needs, and budget. By carefully selecting windows that complement your home's architecture, improve energy efficiency, and provide the right amount of ventilation, you can boost your home's curb appeal and enjoy a more comfortable living space for years to come.